just save me, save me. I need your love before 그 손을 내밀어 just save me, save me. Save me, baby. 그 손을 내밀어 just save me, save me. Save me, baby.
Welcome back to my another K-pop workshop video. So we just finished the first K-pop workshop of 2020 and we went through Save Me by BTS. Oh my gosh, it was such a hard choreography, but at the same time it's really fun. I would say that was one of the hardest choreography ever we have done in my K-pop workshop, but I personally love the choreography, so I'm really enjoying learning, remembering, and teaching and dancing with you guys. So we did 2 days on Tuesday and Thursday, and on Tuesday, since it was the first workshop, it was quite intense and not so many of them could do that perfectly, but that's totally fine because the workshop opens for any levels and ages. But on Thursday, whoever came on Tuesday and Thursday, everyone got this. I am really surprised because they learned only in 2 hours, even though I spent 5 hours to remember and be able to teach you guys. So I'm really impressed and good job, guys. So hope you guys enjoy watching our dance cover of Save Me by BTS, and next week we're gonna do Wonderland by BTS. It's gonna be another fun song, so if you're living in Arizona, feel free to join us. It's gonna be really fun and you're gonna make lots of friends who also love K-pop and share the same spirits as you. Also, I have a tutorial video for the first chorus part of Save Me, so make sure to scroll down and find the URL and let's dance together. Alright, thank you guys so much for always watching and dancing with me. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye!